Here are the solutions to your homework. All right, so this one has 2x plus 7 to the 3s power equals 27. So what is to the 3s power is isolated. So now we can get rid of that. So again, we did the inverse power. So the 2/3 power, both sides, they cancel out. So we're left with 2x plus 7 equals 27 to the 2/3 power. Well, 27 to the 2/3 power is 9. So we get 2x plus 7 equals 9. We subtract 7. We get 2x equals 2. Divide by 2. And we get x equals 1. All right, number 2. And here's what's to the 4/3 power. So we got to get rid of this 9. So we subtract 9. Subtract 9. I got x to the 4/3 power equals 16. Now we get rid of the 4/3 power by doing the 3/4 power. 3/4 power. These cancel out, so I get x equals 16 to the 3/4 power is 8. All right, next one, number 3. We have to get rid of this 5 first because it is not part of this what's to the 3/4 power. So we divide both sides by 5. And I got x minus 8, because they cancel out, to the 3/4 power equals 8. Now I get rid of the 3/4 power by doing 4/3 power. 4/3 power. These cancel out, so it leaves me with x minus 8 equals 8 to the 4/3 power, and 8 to the 4/3 power is 16. And then I add 8, and I get x equals 24. All right, number 4. Number 4, again, this is what is to the 4/3 power. So we have to isolate this, so we got to get rid of this 3. So I get rid of the 3 by dividing by 3. Leaves me with x plus 1 to the 4/3 power equals 16. Get rid of the, now I can get rid of the 4/3 power by doing the 3/4 power. 3/4 power. These cancel out, so it leaves me with x plus 1 equals 16 to the 3/4 power, and 16 to the 3/4 power is 8. I subtract 1, and I get x equals 7. All right, number 5. Number 5, we have to get rid of this 10 first. So I subtract 10, and I get the square root of 6x minus 5 equals negative 7. All right, and I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to tell you this problem, if you finish it, you're probably going to get an answer, but it's extraneous because we can never get the square root of something to be negative. So the actual answer for this one is just no solution. You may get a solution, but if you plug it in, it's not going to work. All right? All right, the next one. Let's see, I got to get rid of this 1 first, and then I got to get rid of this 2 because it's not under the square root, so I'm going to add 1. Leaves me with 2, 7x plus 4, square root equals 9. And then I divide by 2, and I get the square root of 7x plus 4 equals 9 over 2. And now I got to square it, and square it. So now I got 7x plus 4 equals 9 over 2 squared. So I could square the 9, and I can square the 2. And it leaves me with 81 over 4. And then I need to subtract 4. So now I got 7x equals 81 over 4 minus 4. And then I divide by 7. So now I get x equals 81 over 4 minus 4 divided by 7. So I can just throw that in the calculator real quick now. So again, in the calculator, I'm just going to do this. Let's see. 81 divided by 4, enter, minus 4, enter, and then divide it by 7, enter, and I just get approximately 2.32. All right, it's an approximate answer. All right, number 7. We have the third root of x plus 40 equals negative 5. Now I can do this one because it's a third root, not a square root. So I got to cube this side and cube this side. Remember, get rid of a cube root, we have to cube. So the cube cancels out the cube root, and I'm left with x plus 40 equals negative 5 to the third power, and that is negative 125. And then I subtract 40, and I get x equals negative 165. Negative 165 as an answer. All right, and that was your homework from yesterday, and that's how to do it.